This is Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus in the key of C by Helen Lemmel. And it's just a really simple way to play this by chording. If you want to check out the description of the video, I do have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to print out, follow along with me. All right, so let's take a look at the chords that are in this song. We have C, F, G, then we have a D minor, E minor, and A minor. So let's take a look at the C chord, C, E, G. Move up one note, you have a D minor, D, F, A. Move up one note, E minor, E, G, B. Okay, then I'm going to come down here, I'm going to play the F chord down here, and you can play it up here if you'd wish, or you could play it down here. That's what's fun about chording, is you can have a lot of flexibility. F, A, C, makes up an F chord, one note up, G chord, G, B, D. One note up from that, A minor, A, C, E. All right, so review, we have a C chord, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor. All right, so let's put pinky on F down here, and you can line up your 5 fingers, and you really only have to swing this thumb open a few notes when you have to play some single notes. So when we play a C note, we can just play thumb, C chord, single note down here. D, move your thumb open here. E minor, swing your thumb open again to the E note. Then for your F, F single note, G, and A for the A minor, okay? All right, the rhythm that we could do to bring the two hands together is together, right, right. And what I mean is you go like this, then just the right hand, together, right, right, together, right, right. You can practice on the D minor, together, right, right, together, right, right, and together, and so on. You can just practice that over and over on your chords. Throw that pedal down, it makes it sound more sustained noise. All right, so let's add in some vocals so you know what I mean here. It's a really simple piece, just a chorus in this song. Turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful grace. All the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. Okay, you notice that I did together, right, right, together, right, right on the entire song. The last line, you're just going to have a little bit different, going from the D minor, G, and then your C. So you're going to play the D minor twice, glory, and transition to that G, and then to the C, grace. In the light of his 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, when we come back to the first line, it's just together, right, right, together, right, right. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look F, G, and the C, A minor, and F in the C, D minor, G, C. All right, easy peasy, right? All right, you can do it. Let's go beginning to end. Here we go.